Scraping Amazon product pages can be tricky if you do it yourself. In this video, I'll show you how to collect them easily using our Amazon Product API. Hi, my name is Hilman from SERP API. Last time, we covered how to scrape Amazon search results. In this video, we will see how to extract product details, specification, ratings, reviews, and more. Let's dive in. Let's say you are looking at coffee beans at the Amazon website. Then you pick one of the product. You should see a detailed information about this product, including all the variants, pricing, related product, and also some reviews at the bottom. Now, using the Amazon Product API from SERP API, we will see first from the playground how it will look like. So let's say you are looking for this very specific product by putting the ASIN as the parameter here, and engine Amazon product. You can pick the ASIN directly from the URL here or using our Amazon Search API. Now this is what to expect on the JSON response. Under the product results response, you can see again the ASIN, title, text, pages, variants, and all other information that available on that individual product page. So let's see how to do it in Python. First, ensure to register at serpapi.com. Once you've registered, you should see your API key on the dashboard. Make sure to copy and paste it later on the text editor. We will use the Amazon Product API. For this, we require the engine to be Amazon Product, and then put the ASIN number. You can see all the other possible parameters to use on our documentation page. Moving to our text editor, I'll prepare two files. First, the .env file to store our API key securely. Next, main.py file to write our code. In the env file, you can put this variable, SERP API key, or any name you want, and then paste your actual API key here that you get from our website. Next, ensure to install the request package and also the python.env file. We use the request package to perform the HTTP request and the python.env file to call our API key from the .env file. We will include these two packages on our text editor. Import OS, call the function load.env, then call the actual API key from our env file. Now we are ready to make our first call to SERP API. We'll prepare the parameter, in this case Amazon product, as we saw from the documentation. Next, the ASIN number. You can put any ASIN for the product that you're interested in. Next, put your SERP API key. Now we perform with the request package an HTTP request to this endpoint, including the parameter, and then put all the JSON results on this variable. Now let's see if we print the response. Let's actually use the JSON package so we can give an indentation so we can see it more tidy on our terminal. Now we can run the file and we should see the response nicely indented here. So as you can see on the product results response, we have the ASIN, title, and other information that now you can collect easily. So let's say we are interested first in the title. So I will use response, product results, and then title. Now let's do for the ASIN one, brand, thumbnail, rating, reviews, and price. Here is the list. And we should see all these values that we are only interested in. Next, what if you are interested in collect the reviews available on the first page? We will loop the auto reviews that's available under this key, reviews information. Then we can print whatever data that we are interested in. So let me run it again. Now you can see all the reviews that we got from this particular product. That's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Check out our website to see all of our search engine APIs that you can use for your next project. See you on the next one. Bye.